Create a sleep-friendly environment. Ensure that your bedroom is quiet, dark, and at a comfortable temperature. Use earplugs, eye shades, or white noise machines if needed. Establish a consistent sleep routine. Stick to a regular sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time, every day, even on weekends. Wind down before bed. Give yourself at least 30 minutes of wind down time before sleep. Engage in relaxing activities, such as reading a book, listening to calm music, or taking a warm bath. Practice deep breathing. Deep breathing exercises can help calm your mind and relax your body. Try inhaling deeply through your nose, holding your breath for a few seconds, and then exhaling slowly through your mouth. Repeat this several times. Avoid clock watching. Constantly checking the time can create anxiety and make it harder to fall asleep. If necessary, remove clocks from your bedroom or turn them away from your view. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribe at MR Psycho.